Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, July 11th, 2017. I'd like to tell you there was something new. Here's the ES front month futures contract, daily chart of the broad market, futures form. Not much happened today, and we're still sitting where we were, 2 months ago for the most part, and really, 2,400 was what we hit at the end of February, and that's in the low of the last week or so. So we're still talking. You're talking about 6 months here, 5-6 months of not much. Ranges have been poor. Let's go through all the major indices and the daily charts, and then we'll look at the intraday action. Talk about what's coming out tomorrow. So we've got crude oil gained 15 cents to 44.55. Gold up $2.80, but at lower prices than it's been for the last couple months. The S&P cash literally gained 2 points on the week. NASDAQ 100 up 37. But still lower than it's been recently. SOX up 12. Doesn't really get us much there. Biotech's down 24. It's like a hanging wedge there. VIX down 8 cents, but at least it's just down to 11.11, not back in the single digits. Trend closes at 0.83. The 10-day moving average is 1.03. NASDAQ volume 1.6 billion shares. Advanced decline ratio negative 563 on the NASDAQ. So actually there were more stocks down than up, even though the NASDAQ was up 37 points. And on the New York it was 51, meaning there were 51 more stocks up than down. Google gains $10. So here we are back to the usual, right? Google gains $10.19, so it's up. Apple up 88 cents. Amazon, the big winner, up 17.71. Netflix up 2.49. And rounded out with Tesla, the big five, up 2.83. Bouncing off that stack trendline area. So that's what you got, is the big stocks saw the money today. That pushed the NASDAQ up. Everything else more down than up for the most part. The 20-year bond ETF, the TLT, was up 18 cents, which is pretty flat. Goldman Sachs hasn't done anything for months either. 225.84, up 56 cents. All right. So let's take a look at the ES intraday. Go to 5-minute candles. And you can see the end of Thursday and Friday's trading, and then today. So we basically opened flat, screwed around for about an hour and a half, and then drifted up ahead of lunch, and then dead flat from the beginning of lunch on. NASDAQ side, obviously a little more positive to get to that plus 37 number. Wiggled around early, drifted up for the rest of the day, although after lunch it was dead flat as well. Tried to push up one more time right before the close and gave it right back right after the close. So there's not a lot new to talk about there. Not much to really point out beyond what we were looking at from the weekend update. We've got the JOLTS job openings and wholesale inventories 30 minutes into the market. This is not options expiration week. This is not a triple expiration month. So we don't have options roll. So it's just a straightforward trading week still. Hoping for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to be the better trading days as they usually are. Summer Fridays tend to be slow, so we do not have high expectations for Friday. But we'll see what we get. We'll put some new stock picks in the report and call it from the tape. Have a great trading Tuesday.